your hands together. Keep your eye on the ball, sweetie.
Practice swing.
Practice the swing.
Good. Behind the ball. No, be careful.
Good swing, sweetie.
Good. Stand next to the home plate. Right here.
There you go, D. Good job.
Swing.
Good swing.
Swing. Keep your eye on the ball, okay?
Yes, good job, sweetie. Good job. Good job, sweetie.
Run the bases, okay?
You run the bases. Drop the bat and run the bases. Good job. Good job, sweetie.